Hey, what's up, guys? I had been missing this part of the video for such a long time, and therefore I'm here today for absolutely no reason. But since I'm here, I thought I'll explain the motivation behind this random video, which was that I had always solved Rubik's Cube blindfolded on land. But right before the outbreak of COVID 19, I got a chance to solve it while being on a boat, which triggered the idea that I could maybe even try it on the third element of Earth, that's air. And therefore, when I finally got a chance, I just couldn't let it go. Therefore, you have some more content to help yourself get bored with. But just in case you didn't get bored watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and let me know that, and subscribe to this channel to let the love keep flowing. I hope you have an amazing day, amazing week, a great month, and an even greater year ahead. Keep grinding, stay healthy. Cheers.